Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your tea? I hope you are enjoying your tea. So, now in this video, we will learn about what is motion block in the Scratch. Okay, we will learn all the motion blocks. So, first thing, how you will open your Scratch. We need to just search for the Scratch, press the enter button. You will get Scratch Imagine Program Share. We need to just click on scratchmit.edu. Once you will click on that, you will get Scratch website like this. Okay. After that, how we will create a new project, we need to just click on the create option. So what you will get one new project here. So this is a Scratch. Okay. Even you can check our previous videos also if you want a basic about Scratch. Okay. Now today in this video, we are going to learn about the motion block, why we are using this motion block. Okay. So suppose if you want to add any backdrop, we need to just click on choose a backdrop. According to your choice, you can add any backdrop here. Suppose I want to add this basketball too. Okay. After that, suppose we want to add in, I want to delete this cat. I want to add any other sprite. So, suppose I want to add this ballerina. Okay, now we have one backdrop, we have one sprite. So, always we need to start from the event when flag is clicked. So, when flag is clicked, we need to just go to the motion. Over here, we will just see what is this all motion block. What is the use of this? Suppose what is this move 10 step? If you want to move ballerina only 10 step like this. See? So this is for that. Like if you want to move any sprite. Now, what is this turn 50-degree? Now see, if you will run, you will get little bit turn in the right direction. Instead of 10, if you will increase the number like 100 step, so you will get 100. Instead of this 15-degree turn, if you want 90-degree turn, so what will happen? You will get 90-degree turn with move. Suppose what is this turn if you want a left turn? Suppose 90 here, so you will get a straight. Okay, so you will get this 90-degree. After that, we have the next one, which is go to random position. Means randomly it will get any position. Randomly she will get any position. See, this is random position. This is not a fixed. And then we have one go to X and Y. Means this is your fixed position. When flag is clicked, we want this position for ballerina. See, you will get this position. After that, we have a glide. Glide means if you want to move from one position to another, we can take this glide. See, so this is a random position for the glide. This is the random one. Even we can add any fixed one also, which is this one. Like here you will get your fixed position. Okay, so for this go to X and Y also we have a fixed and random. So this is your fix, this one is the random. Same for glide also we have a random and fix. Okay, after that we have our next block here, which is point in direction. For any sprite, if you want a, we can say directions, like see, this is the left right direction, this is up, this one is the left, this one is the down. So according to your project need, we can add the directions. See, okay. After that, what we have, point toward mouse pointer. Now see what will happen. Wherever I will take my mouse, ballerina will follow that position. She will follow my mouse pointer. Okay. After that, we have the next block here, which is change x by 10. What is this mean? So Now, if you will see this entire stage area, we are dividing this stage area into two parts. This is the first part, which is y. This is the second part, which is x. So here we have a positive y, here we have our negative y. Here we have a positive x, here we have our negative x. So change x by 10, it means we want to change the positive, means the right direction. If you want a negative direction, you need to just add a minus 10, means you will get this left direction. Same for y also. Okay, like change your y by 10. It means you will get a up direction. If you will add a minus 10, you will get your down direction. After that, we have a set x and set y. What is this? For any sprite, if you want a x value, this, the fixed value, and y value, this fixed value, you can add a set x and y. Now, what we have this next? If age on bounds. So, as you can see, we have a, in the stage area, we have a ages. This one, this one, this one, this one. Means we have a 4 age. So, what we want, suppose we want if age will bounce, if ballerina will touch to this age, she will return back. Okay. So see, she returned. So this is the meaning of that. Like if there will be age, we want to return back. Same we have our rotational style. Like if you want to rotate your sprite. So for that, we have a rotational style. See this? Okay. So this all are our motion block. Again, see, we can move, we can turn, we can go to the random position, we can take a fixed position also, we can glide to the random position or we can glide to the fixed position. We can take the point in direction, means any point. After that, we have a, it will follow your mouse. We can change x value or we can change a y, we can set also. And if there will be age, we want to rotate that. So this is all about your motion block. So in the next video, we will see what is the look block. So we will explore all the blocks one by one. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you soon.